This nation was founded on the principle that there are no kings in America. Each of us is equal before the law.
That's President Joe Biden late tonight, reacting to the Supreme Court's decision today on presidential immunity. Meanwhile, former President Donald Trump is praising the decision. The High Court ruled that former presidents are immune from criminal prosecution for their official misconduct. CBS News Nicole Sganga is at the Supreme Court and tells us that doesn't include unofficial acts.
Erica, good evening. President Biden returned from Camp David early to address today's Supreme Court ruling. In his speech, he said, quote, "No one is above the law, including the president." But he went on to say that with today's ruling, that fundamentally changed for all practical purposes.
The Supreme Court decision marks the first time the justices have ruled that former presidents have substantial immunity from criminal prosecution for official acts. The 6-3 decision along ideological lines does not provide immunity for unofficial acts by a president. For now, the historic ruling extends a delay in the D.C. criminal case against former President Donald Trump, who faces charges he plotted to overturn his 2020 election loss.
That means the chances of a trial before the election are zero at this point.
President Biden spoke about the ruling Monday night.
Today's decision almost certainly means that there are virtually no limits on what a president can do. This is a fundamentally new principle, and it's a dangerous precedent.
The district court overseeing the case against Trump must now examine some of the allegations within the indictment to determine whether they fall within the scope of immunity.
Chief Justice John Roberts wrote for the conservative majority that the president may not be prosecuted for exercising his core constitutional powers. Justice Sonia Sotomayor blasted the ruling in a scathing dissent, warning that it insulates the commander-in-chief from criminal prosecution no matter how he uses his official powers.
The Supreme Court did not accept former President Trump's argument that immunity requires the prosecution to be shut down entirely.
On Trump's social media network shortly after the decision was released, he posted, "Big win for our Constitution and democracy. Proud to be an American." Nicole Sganga, CBS News, the Supreme Court.